Alright, kind of an awkward setup here, but I want to show you these Reli Super Value trash bags. We needed something big. These 55 to 60 gallon bags definitely do the trick. Let me show you just how big they are. When it's garbage day, which it is today, which is why I'm doing this right now, I can very easily put everything else from the house into this one bag. It stretches really well. I'm pulling hard. You can stretch it, but it didn't tear. It kind of just gets like a stretch mark, really. This puppy can hold so much more. There's the bag. Here's the bag. See how much more room there is in there? I'm really not worried about this tearing on me. This is actually really thick, strong, and flexible. So this does more than what I'm going to need for daily use without contributing tons of unnecessary plastic into our trash heaps. Some of the bags I've gotten before that are super, super heavy duty, so much plastic wasted in those. I don't want or need to use that heavy duty a bag for frequent use. Like that's a rare use kind of thing. It's nice to have those on hand. This is perfect for every day, every week, regular use. It's gonna do everything you need and then some. I think it'd be great to have like the super, super thick heavy duty ones on for like special occasions where, I don't know, maybe where you're throwing away knives or saw blades. I think these Super Value black trash bags from Reli are a great value. If you need a giant trash bag, but you don't want to waste plastic unnecessarily, I would go for these for your everyday, every week use. And I think you'll be pleased. I hope that was helpful.